Alright guys, here we go. Full size lid 25. Box 23. Clark 2, Megan 2, George 1. George 1, Justin 5, Bo 2, Adam 2, Ron 1, Keish 1, Ron 2, Kevin 5, AJ 3, Mike 1, Jeremy 3, and Jeremy each with 2. Alright, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Alright, Ron, you're on top. Clark, you're on the bottom, 5 times. Alright. Adam, Rams, Jets. AJ, Bills, Texans, Raiders. Bo, Bears, Lions. Clark, Panthers, Skins. George, Giants. Jeremy H, Vikes, Eagles. Jeremy Hill, Packers, Jags, Niners. Justin Enworthy, Ravens, Chiefs, Dolphins, Seahawks, Bucks. Keish, Titans. Kevin, Cowboys, Colts, Chargers, Saints, Steelers. Megan, Falcons, Bengals. Mike, Browns. Ron, Cardinals, Broncos, and Patriots. So any trades there, guys? Let me know. You guys good to go? Got 13 left in the playbook. Alright guys, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. So we are good to go. I forgot how does this go. What's the 2 list? Let me show you. This is just everybody's name, and then the closer list is the list you gotta pay attention to. So Jeremy, you got Packers, Jags, and Niners. Packers, Jags, and Niners. 23 out of 25. All right, sealed up, sealed up, sealed up. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Steelers better not blow this game. They best not blow this game. Very nice lid here. Very nice lid here. I believe that is Dwight Freeney. Dwight Freeney. 93 for the Colts. I think that's Dwight Freeney. Radkey Sports. Nice Speed Authentic. Speed Authentic lid. Dwight Freeney. RSO 89972, Dwight Freeney. Very nice looking lid there. Nice Dwight Freeney lid going to the Colts. Where's that Robert Mathis? Let me see something. Dwight Freeney. Sorry. Trying to see what happened. Something happened in the Steelers game. Taunting or something. Oh, he did get a taunting penalty. What an idiot. All right, Colts. Kevin. All right, Mr. Kevin. There you go, man. You got yourself the Dwight Freeney. The very last lid in this series. Next series is juicy. 5 times for the 5 times, guys. Top spot. Free spot in the bonus break. Alright. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Bo Peters. Alright, Bo. There you go, man. 25. Full size spot. Free spot in the bonus break. Alright, very good. Good. Premium pack has 21 left. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Thank you.